Why do you call yourself a Reverend Nthumbi?
I've been ordained as a reverend.
Are you an ordained? At times you call yourself a bishop. Are you Reverend Bishop?
I've never referred to myself as a bishop, and I'm ordained reverend through the ordainment of Bishop, through the ordainment of Bishop Eric Mwangi in Newbridge City Chapel.
Did you attend theology class?
Essentially, I'm a theologian.
Did you attend theology? Do you have a theology degree?
No. Through the chair, I don't have a theology degree.
You call yourself a security expert. What are your professional credentials to be a security expert?
I have served in the security field.
Do you have a degree in security studies?
Essentially,
I'm saying, do you have a degree in security studies?
No.
Do you have a security in military science?
I have certifications for the same.
Do you have a degree in military science?
I have not served in military. I have certifications of the same within my areas of professional background.
So again, you have not served in any military?
I have served in organizations that offer the services for the last 15 years.
Have you served in the military, Nthumbi? Are you an officer? Have you served in the military as an officer?
I have not served in the military as an officer, but I have done operations with militaries.
Nthumbi, I'm asking you questions. Don't ask yourself your own questions. You call yourself governance expert. Again, have you studied governance in the university?
No, I have not.
Have you studied law?
No, I have not.
What degree do you have, Reverend? Do you have a university degree?
Essentially, I have a certification from the security field.
No, I'm saying, do you have any university degree?
Once you understand the rankings within...
Reverend, I'm just
allow
asking
me to
you.
answer through the chair.
No. Do you have a university degree?
I have security certifications within my field.
Chairman, I'm just asking a simple question. Do you have a university degree? Anything?
Yeah, so that we can make progress.
No. Yeah. Do you have a university degree?
No, I don't.
You were contesting for what seat in the last elections?
Nairobi Senate seat.
Nairobi?
Nairobi Senator seat in 2017. 2017. No.
Not 20. I thought you contested. You didn't contest in 2022?
No, I did not contest in 2022.
Okay. What was your role in UDA in 2022 elections?
I don't belong to the party. I had no role in UDA.
Were you appearing on media throughout the election period?
Yes, I was.
So when you're appearing on one side, I mean in the media, were you supporting the election of Raila Odinga?
No, I was not.
Were you supporting the election of William Ruto?
Essentially, my role in the media was not as a support of the UDA candidate. Was, as I had said earlier, was to give analysis within the political profile of the entire country. So I would commentate on issues that touch on Azimio, on UDA, and the rest of the other candidates.
As again, I asked if you have your alternative reality. So I'm asking you again with profound respect again, whether, I don't know, you've created your own world reality which is not supported by facts, by evidence. I mean, you basically, I don't know, suffer from illusion and the delusion. I don't know. I have no questions because Dennis, with tremendous respect.
I have explained through my petitions that I was there in person in all the dealings.
You call yourself
I saw
Dennis,
what I saw, and
you call
essentially,
yourself a governance expert, you have no expertise. You call yourself a military expert, you have no expertise. You call yourself a terrorism expert, you have no expertise. You call yourself a reverend, you have no training, theology training. Do you know yourself, Dennis?
evidentially, 16 years of high-level work within various fields is evidence. And I have been ordained, I have a certificate of ordainment. When you receive calling from the Lord, essentially, you're not with anybody there, that's Him. So you may want to disqualify me. I'm a simple man. I may not be as high and mighty as you are, but I'm a common man. But essentially, I have no other country to go to. I have to protect my country. Call me what you want to call me. But I want to be able to raise my children. I want to be able to love my wife. I want to be able just to do the simple things that I cannot be able to get a visa and protections to the United States or any other country. I have nowhere else to run. I only have this place. Even if I was nothing, I was a pauper in the streets. Imagine I am nothing. Take everything away from me. But you can't take Kenya away from me. You can't take the peace that I want. So imagine just I'm a common citizen. But I was there in Bomas. I saw what I saw. And my petition is essentially pegged on the fact that my own existence in this country was threatened.
Mr. Chairman, I have no further questions. Just to say that Dennis Nthumbi is not worthy of the credibility to be a witness in this tribunal. I think at most, with tremendous respect, it's just for this tribunal to make its finding, this evidence not worth what's written on. I don't want to say, but I think it's just fraudster.
Mr. Chairman,
You said that. You want to say that? What did you say, Council?
I'm
the
saying
last word?
in the finding, you say.
No. There's some.
Yeah. I'm saying.
The last word you said that he's a
legal term fraudster. Because why I'm saying so, Chairman, with respect.
Excuse me. You can't say that about a witness.
No, what I'm saying.
You can't say that about a Kenyan. That's too strong a language for this tribunal.
But I'm giving you the foundation there, Chairman.
That
he calls him, all those expertise calls himself, and they are not true. What is that? The word is fraud. It's deception, which is a legal term. It's deception. Yeah, what I'm saying is call himself a terrorism expert, no expertise. Governance expert. You can't call yourself a governance expert, no training. You can't call yourself he's called himself a...
You'll be based on his answers, you'll be asking us to make a finding.
Yes, what I was saying.
But you cannot yourself make that finding.
No, I'm not making that finding. I'm saying I'll ask the tribunal to make a finding. That's what I said. I'll ask the tribunal to make a finding. I rephrased. I'm sorry, Chairman. I'll make submissions on why you should make that finding. That is the role. That's your jurisdiction, your power. That's all, Mr. Chairman.